Hi, I'm Ted. Today I'm going to show you how to show error bars on a chart in Excel. I have a spreadsheet here with XY data, and I've got the chart with Y plotted versus X, and then also in the spreadsheet I have some error values, both a plus and minus error value on the Y quantity. To create the error bars, the best way to do it is to right-click on the data and go to Format Data Series. Depending on your version of Excel and your operating system, it may look a little different. But here we have the X. You can put the error bars either on the X or on the Y. So we want to put it on the Y, so we click here. You can display either both, the plus and minus, or just the plus, just the minus, or none. We want to show both of them. And then there are 5 different options. You can see it happening already in the background, is that it's showing plus or minus 10 on the Y value. You could also show the percentage, which is where the Y error bar is 5% or whatever percent you specified of the value. If we increase that, let's say to 20%, you'll see that it's increased the size of the bars. The ones that are closer to 0, in fact there's one data point right at 0, is going to have no error bar. So I hope this has been useful. I'm Ted, and today I showed you how to display error bars on a chart in Excel. Thank you for watching.